Thank you all for coming out. We're really excited to host this event for the region today. I think it's going to be a fantastic discussion, really interesting topic. We're excited to kick off this new event series of ours, the CEO Talks, to complement the general networking events that we do each and every month. Of course, our mission is to build a more connected workforce in the region, and that workforce is everything from CEOs and entrepreneurs down to the bench. And there couldn't be a better place for us to kick this event series off. We've done a couple events here at Montgomery College, and our sponsor, PICMC, the Life Science Innovation Center here at the college, they host startups and businesses. So this is a community college with an incubator accelerator right here on campus. So it's a pretty unique community college, the only community college in the whole country that has a health system right here on campus. So you have a community college where we're teaching the next generation. You have a health system right here. We also have world-class laboratories right here on campus. And it's amazing. I mean, it's pharmaceutical-grade laboratories. One of our sponsors, BioTrack, is here today. Right now, they have a epigenetics workshop where they have scientists from all around the world who are traveling here into Maryland and Montgomery College for these courses. In fact, last week, they had a gene editing with CRISPR-Cas9 course as well, where they had 20 scientists from around the world. So when you put all these factors together, I mean, that's a pretty amazing story, and it's pretty amazing that this is all in one campus right here in Maryland. What's great also is it's a good representation of what Maryland and the BioHealth Capital Region has. That type of activity is happening across the state, across the region. And we have 70 federal labs, we have the best universities, we have a very vibrant biotech ecosystem. So that example of what's happening right here on campus is happening all across the region. So what we want to do, and what we're so happy to have WSGR here as a sponsor, what we want to do is just continue that conversation and make sure everyone knows about that and provide opportunities for you all to get together around topics, create those collisions to make more things happen and bring more products to market. So we're excited to be here. There's a lot of organizations that are involved in getting this event together. WSGR is our lead sponsor, as well as PICMC, BioBuzz, and BioTrack. So we thank them for all their efforts to do so. And there's a lot of organizations involved in this biotech ecosystem. BioHealth Innovation, Rich is here from that. TEDCO, the Maryland Tech Council. So it's really a collaborative effort. And when you look at our region compared to others, we may not have a lot of the same amount of density, but we can out-collaborate. And I think that's a really good mission for us, is we're going to out-collaborate them. And that's what we're starting to do here today. So with that, I'm happy to introduce our moderator today, the very wise Charles Andrus from WSGR. Charlie has an extremely impressive track record. He's got over 70 publications, 4 drug approvals, and but practices not only FDA law, but patent law. So he brings a wealth of knowledge and experience to this topic, and is really going to lead a really fantastic panel with our panelists today. So I'm going to stop talking and give the mic up to you for the majority of our program. So thank you very much.
Thank you, Chris, for selecting this just incredible venue, and for all your hard work and the logistics for putting all this together. And I appreciate the intro because it creates no pressure, so that's good for me. And we're very lucky, I think, to have 3 entrepreneurs with us today who have companies that will hopefully go on to change the world. They are dealing in whole or in part in the immuno-oncology space. This is, I think, in my opinion, sort of one of the 3 future areas of medicine that are going to have significant impact, the other 2 being regenerative medicine and epigenetics. They each have, their companies are each taking a different approach, which is interesting. They're represented geographically in different places. For example, Paul and his company are located on the West Coast. And they also have different levels of entrepreneurial experience. Jeff, for example, is a seasoned entrepreneur, whereas Paul is a little bit earlier and still kind of earning his stripes.
Nice way to call me old. I saw that.
I got more gray hair.
So I think it would be appropriate, before we get into the questions, maybe if each of you could introduce yourselves and maybe tell the audience a little bit about your companies.